A lot of laptop repairs. It's a constant cycle. You can get 40 or 50 a day that come in. Anything you could imagine could happen to a laptop, that's what we fix on a daily basis. My name is Nathan Walling, or Nate Walling. I work in the IT repair department, have for almost 12 years now. It's a nice change from being out in the schools. You get to sit down, you can concentrate on doing laptop repairs all day long. Put in my headphones, listen to some music, and just bust out about 50 laptops in a day, and it's nice. We do quite a bit actually for the district. The computer repairs, all the laptop repairs for the district, which could be thousands and thousands throughout the year. Basically anything that you can plug in or is wireless, we have our hands on and take care of. So you're constantly going, and it's having those moments to share with the people that you work with. Walking past in the hall, hey, this or that. Having that is that break from the nonstop that we see all day long. I graduated from Rocky Mountain. It was a year or two ago, I think, at least. And that's another thing that's been kind of nice about this position is I graduated here and all the technology we have, and I've gotten to see the way it's changed. And even in the 12 years I've been here, there's stuff that I've taken out that I've installed. So it's a non-stop change, and it's great to see where it's advanced. It's not just, I'm doing a job, you can see the tangible results of how the kids appreciate what you're doing.